This dance is called I Am a Survivor, choreographed by Sebastian Buttgereit. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance. There are 4 tags in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, side rock, recover, behind, quarter turn left, side, forward, facing 9, left foot, rock forward, recover, back, quarter turn right, side, cross. Section 2, right foot, side, trigger left toward right, left foot, step, lock, step, right foot, rock forward, recover, triple foot turn to your right, or right foot, coaster, cross. Half turn right, right foot forward, left foot together, half turn right foot forward, facing 12 o'clock. Section 3, left foot high sweep from back to front. Cross. In first position on ball of your left, push your body back, right foot, coaster, step, left foot, rock forward, recover, triple half turn to your left, quarter turn left, side together, quarter turn left forward. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. Last section, right foot, kick forward, kick to the side, sailor step, left foot, kick forward, kick to the side, behind, side, cross. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now let me go over take 1. Take 1 occurs after wall 1 facing 6 o'clock. On cross position, you will make an unwind half turn to your right over 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're facing 12, start wall 2. Now let me go over take 2. Take 2 occurs after wall 2 facing 6 o'clock. On cross position, unwind half turn to your right over 2 counts. 1, 2. Drop head for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then wait for the music to start the hand motion. The first accent. Step right foot to the side, raise right, fist upward. Survivor. The second accent. Quarter turn left, transfer your weight to your left, and extend left arm forward, palm facing up. Give. The third accent. Step right foot side facing 12, push both arms to the side, palm facing out, stop. The fourth accent. Step left foot together, bend your arms with fist. One more time. Survivor. Give. Stop. Harder. Now let me go over take 3. Take 3 start with wall 8 facing 6 o'clock. Slow motion. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Step left foot forward. 5. Slow motion. 6, 7, 8. Then finish section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're facing 6. Start wall 9. Now let me go over take 4, mini. Starts facing 12 o'clock with wall 10. 1, 2, 3. Hold until the music starts again. You will dance wall 11th with 18 counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, then hold. Step right foot to the side on the last accent. Ending. On wall 7 and wall 9, you can do the hand motion for the first 16 counts. Now let me show you wall 7. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.